video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about actions. More specifically, our CRUD operations, C-R-U-D. CRUD stands for create, read, update, and delete. In this particular example, I have created an app block that is specifically for the app user to fill out information for. When you're in the configuration step, if you want the app user to be able to add or delete or update content, you must enable these fields below in global configuration. So if you want them to create new content, you must click on yes. If you want them to edit or update content, click on yes. And to delete, also click on yes. By clicking on yes, you are actually populating the toolbox actions with these specific fields. So without enabling this, you will not have the ability to add, edit, or delete any content within that particular app block. Do note below, it does ask, should the app user's content be sent to the server? If you send an app user's content to the server, that means it's going to populate the app across all of the users that are using the app. So in most cases, you want to click no so it stays local to their device. In the event you do click yes, it will ask if you want a moderator to approve that user's content to the app, which means that you will be able to actually review the content before it's published. But like I said, in most cases, your answer is going to be no, especially if your use case is for the app user to log their personal appointments. Make sure you click on Save Global Configuration to enable. And then we can go to our phone canvases. So here, I have the add action where I can actually add my items directly to the list view. On a list view, you only have the ability to add directly from a navigation bar. On the detail view, you have the ability to either add the actions directly to the canvas or add them to the navigation bar itself. Do note that the navigation bar can only hold one action at a time because there's already actions built into it. So we have this option called More Options that you can drag and drop directly onto the nav bar, and it'll give you the option of using a menu. So in this menu, you can use the default or you can use your own icon image. And then you can start dragging and dropping the rest of your information over. So if you want to be able to delete the item, you can drag and drop it right into the menu. And if you want to be able to edit it, you can do that as well. You also have the ability to rearrange them if you would like. If you want one action to be available before the other, you can. And even though in the platform this is static, on the device, this menu will only appear when the user taps on More Options. So that's a little bit about our CRUD operations. If you have any questions, you can contact me at training@mobilesmith.com, or you can look it up in the knowledge base to learn a little bit more about how actions work.